Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create new folders on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So in order to create a new folder, you have to click with your pointer and middle finger at the same time on the trackpad, and then select the new folder, and you can see that the new folder is added to the home page. And here you can add files, or I don't know, whatever you would like. Then if you as well click on with your pointer and middle finger at the same time on the folder, here you can see the settings for this folder. You can move to bin, you can duplicate, you can rename, you can add different colors, you can copy, share, and so on. So you have to remember that if you want to create a folder, then double click or click on the middle and pointer finger at the same time on the trackpad, and you're all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.